The rise of the champion. In the bustling city of Viridia, known for its grand arenas and spirited competitions, there lived a young boy named Aidan. Aidan was small for his age, with sandy hair that fell into his eyes and a heart full of dreams. He had always admired the great champions of Viridia, who competed in the annual Grand Tournament, a legendary event that tested strength, skill, and courage. Aidan's father, Marcus, was a former champion himself. Though retired from the arena, he often regaled Aidan with tales of his victories and the challenges he faced. Marcus saw a spark in his son, a determination that mirrored his own when he was young. He began to train Aidan, teaching him the techniques and strategies he had learned over the years. Every morning, Aidan trained tirelessly. He ran through the city's winding streets, practiced his swordsmanship with wooden sticks, and honed his agility by climbing the tall, ancient trees in the nearby forest. Despite his dedication, many in the city doubted him because of his small stature. "He'll never make it," they would whisper. "He's too small, too weak." But Aidan refused to be discouraged. He knew that true strength came from within. One day, while training in the forest, Aidan stumbled upon an old man sitting beneath a tree. The man was dressed in tattered clothes and had a long, white beard. He watched Aidan with keen, knowing eyes. "Why do you train so hard, young one?" the old man asked. "I want to be a champion," Aidan replied, determination shining in his eyes. The old man nodded thoughtfully. "A true champion is not measured by his size or strength, but by his heart and spirit. Show me your resolve." With that, the old man stood and led Aidan deeper into the forest. They arrived at a hidden clearing, where a small, crystal-clear lake shimmered in the sunlight. "This is the lake of reflection," the old man said. "It reveals the true nature of those who look into its depths." Aidan peered into the lake and saw not just his reflection but his dreams, fears, and the champion he aspired to be. The old man then handed him a simple, yet beautifully crafted, sword. "This sword will guide you, but remember, it is your heart that will lead you to victory." Over the following weeks, Aidan continued his training with renewed vigor. The old man, whom Aidan came to know as Master Orion, taught him more than just fighting techniques. He taught him about strategy, patience, and the importance of believing in oneself. Aidan learned to meditate by the lake of reflection, finding inner peace and clarity that strengthened his resolve. As the day of the grand tournament approached, Aidan's father noticed a change in him. He was more focused, more confident. Marcus felt a surge of pride, knowing that his son was ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. The day of the grand tournament arrived, and the city buzzed with excitement. Competitors from all over Viridia gathered in the grand arena, each one eager to prove their worth. Aidan stood among them, clutching the old man's sword tightly. He remembered the words spoken to him and felt a surge of confidence. The tournament was a series of grueling challenges designed to test every aspect of a warrior's abilities. There were feats of strength, tests of agility, and battles of wits. Despite the odds, Aidan advanced through each round, his heart and spirit driving him forward. In the first round, Aiden faced a series of physical challenges. He had to lift heavy weights, run through obstacle courses, and demonstrate his dexterity in various tasks. Although he struggled at times, his determination and training saw him through. Each time he felt himself falter, he remembered the lake of reflection and the strength he had found within himself. The second round tested the competitor's combat skills. Aiden faced several formidable opponents, each one larger and more experienced than he was. He used the techniques his father had taught him, combined with the strategies he had learned from Master Orion. His agility and quick thinking allowed him to outmaneuver his opponents, securing his place in the final round. In the final round, Aiden faced the reigning champion, a towering warrior named Brutus. The crowd fell silent as the two opponents squared off. Brutus smirked down at Aiden. "You're just a boy," he sneered. "You don't belong here." Aiden's grip tightened on his sword. It's not the size of the warrior that matters, but the size of his heart. The battle was fierce. Brutus used his brute strength to overpower Aiden, but Aiden's agility and quick thinking kept him in the fight. He remembered the old man's teachings, using his surroundings to his advantage and staying focused on his goal. As they fought, Aiden noticed a pattern in Brutus's attacks. The champion relied heavily on his strength, often leaving himself open after powerful swings. Aiden waited for the right moment, then made his move. With a swift, precise strike, he disarmed Brutus and knocked him to the ground. The arena erupted in cheers as Aiden stood victorious, his heart pounding with triumph. The king of Viridia stepped forward, placing a golden crown on Aiden's head. "You have shown us all what it means to be a true champion," he declared. "Your heart and spirit are an inspiration to us all." Aiden smiled, looking out at the cheering crowd. He had proven that true strength came from within and that anyone, no matter their size, could become a champion. From that day forward, he was known as Aiden the Brave, a symbol of hope and determination for all of Viridia. But Aiden's journey did not end there. He continued to train, always seeking to improve and to help others find their inner strength. He often visited the Lake of Reflection, drawing inspiration from its tranquil waters. He also spent time with Master Orion, learning more about the world and the mysteries it held. As the years passed, Aiden became a mentor to other aspiring champions, sharing his knowledge and experience. He never forgot the lessons he had learned, and he always encouraged others to believe in themselves, no matter the challenges they faced. Viridia prospered under the guidance of its new champion. The city became known not just for its grand arenas, but for its spirit of unity and determination. Aiden's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to pursue their dreams and to find the champion within themselves. And so, the legend of Aiden the Brave lived on, a testament to the power of the human spirit and the belief that true champions are made not by their size or strength, but by the courage and determination that reside within their hearts. The end.